On the rugged coast of Cyprus lies Petra to Romiou, also known as Aphrodite's Rock. According to ancient legend, this is the birthplace of Aphrodite, the goddess of love and beauty. As the waves crash against the stone, they carry whispers of myth and history. Today it remains one of the island's most iconic landmarks, a place where nature and legend are forever entwined. Hidden in the hills of Cyprus, the Adonis baths are a place of beauty and legend. Surrounded by lush greenery and the sound of flowing water, this natural waterfall is said to have been the secret retreat of Aphrodite and Adonis. It's a place where myth comes alive, where the echoes of ancient love stories still linger in the air. Visitors come not only to admire its beauty, but to feel a connection to the timeless tales of passion and desire. Pafos stands as one of Cyprus's greatest archaeological treasures. Once the thriving capital of the island, its ruins reveal a city of grandeur and rich history. Detailed mosaics, crafted centuries ago, still tell tales of gods, heroes, and everyday life. Walking among its ancient villas, theaters, and temples, you can almost feel the presence of those who lived here long ago. Pafos is not just a window to the past, it's a living reminder of Cyprus's cultural legacy. Beyond the ruins of Pafos, the coastline opens to a lively harbor. Fishing boats sway gently in the clear waters, while cafes and restaurants line the promenade, inviting visitors to pause and take in the view. Here, history meets the present, as locals and travelers alike gather to enjoy the sea breeze and the warmth of Cypriot hospitality. The nearby promenade offers a leisurely stroll with the Mediterranean as your companion, while the open parking makes this vibrant corner of Pafos easily accessible to all who come to explore. Nestled high in the Troodos Mountains, Kykkos Monastery is one of Cyprus's most sacred places. Founded in the 11th century, it is home to a priceless treasure, an icon of the Virgin Mary, believed to have been painted by the Apostle Luke. For over 400 years, the icon was hidden behind a golden screen, untouched and unseen, out of deep respect and devotion. Even today, it remains veiled, only partially revealed during times of great need. Within its richly adorned walls, Kykkos continues to be a symbol of faith, history, and the enduring spirit of the Orthodox tradition. In the heart of Larnaca stands the Church of St. Lazarus, a remarkable example of Byzantine architecture and Christian faith. Built in the 9th century, it is said to house the tomb of Lazarus, the man whom Jesus raised from the dead. According to tradition, Lazarus traveled to Cyprus after his resurrection and served as the first bishop of Kykkos. The church, with its stone walls, elegant bell tower, and centuries of devotion, continues to draw worshipers and visitors alike. It stands not only as a place of prayer, but as a powerful symbol of life after death. Often called the Bora Bora of Cyprus, Ayia Napa is where crystal-clear waters meet vibrant coastal life. Famous for its white sandy beaches, lively nightlife, and luxury resorts, it's a destination that blends natural beauty with endless energy. From water sports to sunset strolls along the harbor, Ayia Napa offers a different kind of Cypriot experience. Youthful, dynamic, and unforgettable. It's no surprise that travelers from around the world are drawn to this sun-soaked paradise. Just outside the city of Pafos lies one of Cyprus's most impressive archaeological sites, the tombs of the kings. Carved deep into rock, these ancient burial chambers date back to the 4th century BC. Despite the name, no kings were laid to rest here, but the scale and detail of the tombs reflect the wealth and importance of those who were. Set against a backdrop of wild terrain and sea breeze, the site remains hauntingly beautiful, a silent reminder of Cyprus's ancient civilizations and their lasting legacy. As night falls over Pafos, the city whispers its final stories. Lights flicker along the harbor, footsteps echo through ancient streets, and the warmth of Cyprus lingers in the air. From myth and mountains to sea and stone, this island holds more than history. It holds soul. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this journey through Cyprus, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more stories from across the world. Until next time, travel well and let the past guide your path.